Aaron Posey.
Aaron Posey.
So we just call you Posey. We call you like we in the joint, but we call you by your last. Look at the bottle though, man. Look at the situation. Turn the cap. Turn it over for me, man. Twist the cap so I can see what it is you drinking. Turn the label for me. The label. See what this deadly stuff you is drinking on. This deadly killer that he holds in his hand. Behold. What is this? How much is? What is this? A fifth? What is this? A fifth? A fifth of this lethal. This death sentence that he's holding in his hand, man. This is what Posey drinking on. That's why you talking about what you ready to do.
You better not. Don't do that.
That's why he talking about what he about to do. Cause he keep this in his system. Posey. Look at him. Now you chasing? You chasing? Now you chasing him? What? Whoa, when does he ever? Whoa, when does he ever chase the two? When does he ever chase them? You really, you feeling? It's not your day today. Today is just not your situation. Cause you don't never chase. You don't never chase your liquor. Huh?
You ain't gonna be forever young.
I'm gonna be forever young.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna be forever looking like this. I'm gonna forever be looking like this young, wonderful man that I am. Standing on these two legs. Posey, we about to, you know.
You think I was born 60?
It seems as if you was.
You think I was born 60?
It seems as if you was,
I was
Posey.
a young man too. One time.
At one time in your life?
Yeah, at one time in my life, I was already young.
And now it's over with. When was you young?
Yeah, nah, it's over.
No, but I want to.
Why you do me like that?
Pause. I want to know the date. The date. I want to know the date and time when you was young.
Why did you do me like that?
But this, all right, the baddie about to die. But I want to know when the date and the time was when you was young. What was the year? What year was you young?
1947.
1947.
Yeah.
And you got about 50 years on me, Posey, cuz. You that old, you that young, you that old windbag. You that old sand.
1947.
You that old sandlot.
Back in 1947.
Man, 1947. That's when you was. When were you born, though?
Huh? Yeah, I was born in 1947.
Bad. You was one of the oldest things walking out here. At least you still walking though, man. Man, you a dinosaur, man.
No, man.
It's all good though, but you a fossil.
1947, yeah.
You a fossil. My boy. You that young fossil, man. This is a prime footage right here.
1947.
This is prime footage we got right here on our hands. This is a beautiful thing. What we got going on right here. This is the example of an antique.
Juicy Couture downstairs. I just paid $80 for that. That's downstairs. I can't even find it.
What is it, a purse?
No, it's a bracelet.
They're right there on the stairs. Look down, look down. Both of them.
Come here. Take a picture of dinosaur.
What got you, baby? I got you capsule. It's a time capsule. You will forever remember Posey. Forever. You about to be immortalized like Tupac. But you Posey. You look like Tupac if he would have got old. And popped a lot of Viagra and Cialis.
You got your money put up again?